Hello children, welcome to AIMS Academy. I think most of you are familiar with our Android app, aimsindia Android app, and aimstoday.in website, because through aimsindia chat box daily you will be getting our website links. So here in our website children, if any one of you having iOS phone, or if any one of you want to make use of our services through desktop or laptop version, for that also recently we have launched one iOS app and laptop version of our Webapp children. Let me show you the details today in our website aimstoday.in. If you see here, we have an icon here, best apps for students. Click on that best apps for students. Ad will come, you can close it. In that, if you want to download the Android app, here we have the link here, aimsindia Android app for all Android phones. You are having the link here. Just you can click on the link and you can download the aimsindia Android app from here. If you want the iOS app link also given here. Just you can click on the link. But in iOS app, aimsindia name will not come. There the name, it will show the name as My Institute. It will show the name as My Institute. And our organization code is this one, TPIAW. In iOS phones, it will ask for organization code. Then you have to enter these 5 letters, TPIAW. And with the organization code, you can enter into aimsindia app. Okay children, so iOS version is there. If any one of you are using iOS phone, then you can download the app from Apple Store. And we have launched one Webapp also children, exclusively for desktop and laptop versions. This will work only after registration through the mobile. First you have to register your mobile number through Android app or iOS app. After that, with the same mobile number, you can log in into aimsindiaapp.com. So our web app name is aimsindiaapp.com. AIMS AIMS, INDIA India, APP-app.com. So you can just click on that. You can just click on that. So in new window, our web app will come. It will ask for organization code and your mobile number. Which mobile number, with what mobile number already you have registered in the Android phone or iOS phone. With the same mobile number only it will work children. With other number it won't work. So you have to enter the organization code here. Once again I am repeating, our organization code is TPIAW. Now, is it visible clearly children? TPIAW. T for temple, P for Pune, I for India, A for Apple, W for wolf. TPIAW. And you have to enter the mobile number which you have registered already. Then click on proceed securely. Click on proceed securely. Now OTP will come to your mobile number. 1 minute children, let me see the OTP. So we have to enter the OTP. Then click on verify OTP. Verify OTP. Now you can enter in, you can see the web app. You can see the web app children. So here in the top menu, batches icon is there. Next you have timetable. Next report section. Next payments. Next chart box is there. Next store. So after suppose if you have not joined into any batch, what you can do means you can go to chart menu. If you scroll down there, aimsindia chart box will be there. There you can type, sir, I am from, sir, you can type the message there. This is so Ramu, please join me in 5th class. Like that, you can keep a request here. We will add you in the 5th class. If you know the patch code, through the mobile, if you already joined into some batches, then all the batches will be visible here. Okay. Otherwise, through chat box, you can keep a request to aimsindia. They will add you in the that respective batch. So once entering into the batch, children, suppose you are a 4th class child. So in the batches, if you click on 4th class, so then overview is there. In the overview, batch start date, batch code, course, subject, everything is there. Timetable, everything is there. Next, you have test menu. In the test, you can attempt the online test. You can attempt the online test, which is going to be scheduled in the coming days. So if you want to attempt the online exam through the laptop or desktop, so then through this aimsindiaapp.com, you can attempt the exam, children. Then videos. Through the Webapp, you cannot avail all the features, children. So only tests can be written from the batches. This study material, videos, this will not work from the Webapp. So you can get the announcement, daily announcements. So 36 minutes ago, we have kept one announcement. So that announcement, suppose if you are 4th class child, now 4th grade science plant adaptations, practice sheet 3, you can click from here. It will lead to our website. So here interactive worksheet is there. You can click on the worksheet. You can attempt the answer, children. Choose the correct option for each of the following. Which of these plants float on water? You can select the answers. You can select the answers. You can drag and drop the answers. These are all interactive worksheets, children. You can drag and drop the answers here. After completing the answers, click on finish button. It will ask for your name. Enter your name. Click on send button. Click on OK. Now it will show you the score 0 by 10. 0 by 10. Actually, like this, daily we are giving some assignments, children, as a homework. So what you can do means, in the assignment section, now this one, 4th grade science interactive worksheet 3 you have done. You got this many marks. So what you can do means, you can save this picture. 1 minute. Children. You can check you can save you can take a screenshot of the picture. You can save it in the desktop. You can save it in the desktop. And you can submit this, children. In assignments, if you want to submit your worksheet, click on the respective worksheet. So here, 1 minute, children. Here, children, this is the worksheet, children. Here you have a option called add answers. Click on that. Select desktop and select the screenshot. and you can click on submit. Assignment is submitted. Like this, you can submit the assignments through the Webapp children. Webapp, but all the features will not be available through in the batches section. Suppose if you want to make use of all the features, then you have to go to store option. There in the store option, you have to purchase the codes. So then only you can make use of all the options. If you attempt any exam, that result will be in the report section, children. That result will be in the report section. So in the store option, so suppose this is third class course. If you click on third class course, so here study material is there. In under preview section, under free content section, you have study material, you have one video and one sample test is there. If you want to watch the video from desktop, from the store option, you can watch it. From the store option, okay, you can watch it. And if you want to attempt test from the store option, you can attempt the test. You can attempt the test, children. So here all the questions will be visible here. Third question, fourth question, like that. All the questions. You can attempt the exam from the Webapp. Click on submit test. Submit test. It will give you the instant result, and you can also view the solutions for all the questions. Like this, you can attempt the exam, children, from the stored section. So if you go to content section, children, third Olympiad Maths, chapter wise total content will be available there. In the science folder also, chapter wise total content related to Olympiads will be there. We will be conducting online exams based on every chapter, so that in the month of December or in the month of January, when we conduct state level or national level Olympiad exam, it will be easy for you because all chapters you have practiced now. So at that time, it will be easy for you attempting the competitive exams. Not only our exam, even you can face the other organizations' competitive exams also. So to avail all these features of Webapp, you have to purchase the course, children. It costs you around 512 rupees for one academic year. So under this 512 rupees, you will be getting all the videos related to that particular class, maths and science videos, and chapter wise online exams you will be getting, and one state level exam, one national level exam also included in this course, children. So okay, children, this is about our apps, children. So we have three types of apps. One Android app is there, iOS app is there, and Webapp also is there. But if you want to make use of all the features of Webapp, you have to purchase the courses from the store section. Okay, children, that's all for today, children. Thank you, children. Have a good day.